Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to install Apache server in Ubuntu. So wait 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes we'll complete all the steps. So to do that we have to first update sudo apt-get update. This is the first command. Depending upon the internet speed and all, it will take some time. Now it is done. This is the first command. Okay. Then sudo apt-get install apache2. Cool. So it is done. 2.4.41 already installed, but this is the particular command you have to type. So after that you have to check that it is running or not. So for that, sudo apt sudo systemctl status apache2. So now this is active, means Apache server is running. So if you want to check the status, this is the command sudo systemctl status apache2. This is the particular command you have to type to see the status. Now if you want to stop the particular server, then sudo systemctl stop apache2. Now let's check the status here. See, inactive. The status is inactive here, right? So if you want to start the server, the same thing here, sudo systemctl start apache2. Now let's check the status here. Now it is active and running. If you want to restart in the same way here, just give restart, it will restart the server. Fine. Thank you guys. Please check the commands and all, and please like and do share. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel for more updates.